Hi everybody, Sarah here from DriveStrike, here to show you how to install DriveStrike on your iPhone. It's actually super fast and easy. You don't even need to download an app from the App Store. All you've got to do is go into your internet browser and log on to DriveStrike.com, same as you would on a desktop. Once you do that, you're going to see the DriveStrike dashboard, same as usual. From there, click the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner and then click on Install. And then same as you did on your desktop or laptop computer, click on Click here to download and just follow the prompts. Enter your passcode. And you are done. If you invite other people to install their devices to your account, they'll be led through a very similar process and they'll show up in your dashboard just like any other device.